We have started exercise 4.1 and we have completed question number 1. Now we'll start with question number 2. Check whether the value given in the bracket is a solution to the given equation or not. Now the first part is n plus 5 is equals to 19 at n is equals to 1. Now you can see that the right hand side of the equation is equals to 19 and in left hand side of the equation we have n plus 5. Now here we are given that when n is equals to 1. Now let us put the value of n. N is 1 plus 5 will give you 6. So our left hand side comes out to be 6 and we can see that left hand side of the equation is not equals to right hand side of the equation. Right hand side of the equation. Thus the n is equals to 1 is not the solution of the given equation. Now the B part is 7n plus 5 is equals to 19 at n is equals to minus 2. Now here the right hand side of the equation is 19 and the left hand side of the equation is 7n plus 5 where n is equals to minus 2. So let us put the value 7 into n is minus 2 plus 5. So it will give you minus 14 plus 5 and the final answer will be minus 9. Now again you can see that the left hand side of the equation is not equals to the right hand side of the equation. So again our answer will be no. N is equals to minus 2 is not the solution of the given equation. Now the C part is 7n plus 5 is equals to 19 at n is equals to 2. Now the right hand side of the equation is equal to 19 and the left hand side of the equation is 7n plus 5 n is equals to 2. Let us put the value 7 into 2 plus 5. So 7 to the 14 plus 5 will give you 19. Now you can see that the right hand side of the equation is equals to 19 and left hand side of the equation is also equals to 19. So both the values are equal. So we can say that n is equals to 2 is the solution of the given equation. Now the D part is 4p minus 3 is equals to 13 at p is equals to 1. Now here we have right hand side as 13 and at left hand side we have 4p minus 3 and we have to put p as 1. So let us put the value of p. 4 into 1 minus 3. So it will be 4 minus 3 which will be equals to 1. Now you can see that left hand side of the equation is 1 and right hand side of the equation is 13. So again we can say that right hand side of the equation is not equals to the left hand side of the equation. So again our answer will be no. Now the E part. In E part we have 4p minus 3 is equals to 13 where p is equals to minus 4. Now here in right hand side we have 13 and in left hand side we have 4p minus 3. Now we have the value of p as minus 4. Let us put the value of p as minus 4. 4 minus 4 into minus 4 minus 3. 4 for the 16, it will give you minus 16. Minus 16 minus 3 will give you minus 19. But in right hand side we have 13. So again left hand side of the equation is not equals to the right hand side of the equation. So again our answer would be no. The at p equals to minus 4 is not the solution of the given equation. 4p minus 3 is equals to 13 at p is equals to 0. Now the right hand side of the equation is 4 is 13 and the left hand side of the equation is 4p minus 3. So it will be 4 into 0 minus 3. So 0 minus 3 will give you minus 3 again. Now we can see that the right hand side of the equation is 13 and the left hand side of the equation is minus 3. So we can say that the right hand side of the equation is not equals to the left hand side of the equation. So here our answer will be no, that no p is equals to 0 is not the solution of the given equation. So our answer will be no, that p is equals to 0 is not the solution of the given equation. Next question is question number 3. Solve the following equations by trial and error method. Now the first equation is 5p plus 2 is equals to 17. Now the right hand side of the equation is 17 and we want that the left hand side of the equation also becomes equals to 17. The value of p where this equation will become equals to 17, or the left hand side will become equals to 17, that will be the solution of the given equation. So let us start with p is equals to 1. If p is equals to 1, then first case, here we will put the value of p1, 5 into 1 plus 2. Now this will be equals to 5 plus 2, which will give you 7, which is not equals to 17. So p equals to 1 will not be the solution of this equation. Now let us take the next value as p is equals to 2. From this we will get 5 into 2 plus 2, which will be equals to 10 plus 2, and final result will be 12. So again it is not equals to 17. So p equals to 2 is again not the solution of the given equation. Let us try another value, that is p is equals to 3. Now if we put p equals to 3, the equation will become 5 into 3 plus 2. So it will be 15 plus 2, that will give you finally the answer as 17, which is equals to 17, that is the right hand side of the equation. So here we are getting right hand side of the equation is equals to left hand side of the equation at p is equals to 3. So we can say that p is equals to 3 is the solution of the equation. Now the second question or second part of this question is 3m minus 14 is equals to 4. Now let us again start with the hit and trial method. We will put the values and we'll check which value will satisfy this equation. Now first value if we put, we will start with m is equals to 1. Now if you put m is equals to 1, we will have 3 into 1 minus 14, which will give you 3 minus 14, and the answer will be minus 11. Now you can see that it is not equals to the right hand side of the equation, that is 4. So m is equals to 1 will not be the solution of this equation. Now let us put the next value. Let us try with another value, that is m is equals to 2. Now if we put m is equals to 2, it will be 3 into 1, 3 into 2 minus 14, that will be equals to 6 minus 14, then the answer will be minus 8. Now again you can see that it is not equals to 4. So m is equals to 2 will not be the solution of the given equation. Now let us take another value. We will take m is equals to 3. Now if you put m is equals to 3, we'll get 3 into 3 minus 14 is equals to 9 minus 14, and the answer will be minus 5, which is again not equals to 4. So m is equals to 3 will also be not the solution of the given equation. Now let us try with 4. If m is equals to 4, we will get 3 into 4 minus 14, which will give you 12 minus 14. So it will be equals to minus 2, and again it is not equals to 4. So m is equals to 4 will not again be the solution of the given equation. Now again we have to try one more value. We will put m is equals to 5. Now if we put m is equals to 5, we will get 3 into 5 minus 14, which will give you 15 minus 14, so it will be equals to 1, which is again not equals to minus 4. So m is equals to 5 is also not the solution of the given equation. So we have to try one more value. Let us try m is equals to 6. Now when m is equals to 6, we will have 3 into 6. We will have 3 into 6 minus 14. That will be 18 minus 14 will give you 4. Now here we are getting the left hand side as 4, and we have in the right hand side also 4. So 4 is equals to 4. So we can say that m is equals to 6 is our solution of the given equation that will satisfy the given equation. So our answer is m is equals to 6. Now it is not necessary that we will try all the value from 1 to 5. We can try alternate values so that we can reach here. If you see that we are getting values, the value is getting bigger and bigger, and we have to make it till 4. First we get the value as minus 11, then we get minus 8, then we get minus 5, then minus 2, and so on. So you can try with alternate values also. It is not necessary that we will try each and every value from 1 to 6. We can try 1, 3, then 5 in this way. So in this equation we have the m is equals to 6 as the solution of the given equation.